If you've ever spent hours manually transcribing a podcast episode, interview, or video voiceover, you know how tedious it can be. The good news is you don't have to do that anymore. AI-powered speech-to-text tools have completely changed the game for creators. In just a few minutes, you can turn any audio file into accurate, editable text. No typing required. Whether you're a YouTuber looking to add subtitles, a podcaster repurposing episodes into blog posts, or a course creator building lesson notes, AI transcription saves you a massive amount of time and effort. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to convert any audio file to text using RecCloud AI speech-to-text feature, step by step. Let's get into it. One thing I really appreciate about RecCloud is that it's not just a one-trick tool. It brings together a whole suite of AI-powered features all under one roof. You've got speech-to-text for transcription, text-to-speech for generating voiceovers, video translation for reaching audiences in different languages, and a lot more beyond that. So whether you need to convert a podcast episode into a written article, generate a natural-sounding voiceover for your latest video, or make your content accessible to viewers who speak a completely different language, RecCloud has you covered without needing to jump between multiple apps or platforms. Getting started is about as straightforward as it gets. All you need to do is head over to RecCloud's official website using whatever web browser you prefer. I've left a special link down in the description for you. Go ahead and sign up for free. And if you're someone who likes to work on the go, RecCloud also has a dedicated mobile app that you can download straight from the App Store. So whether you're at your desk or on your phone, you've got full access to everything the platform has to offer. If transcribing audio has been a headache for you, then you're going to love this. RecCloud's AI speech-to-text feature might just become your go-to tool. It's a powerful AI-driven solution that converts spoken words into clean, accurate text in real time. And it does so with impressive precision. What makes RecCloud stand out is the range of features it brings to the table. It supports multiple languages, identifies different speakers in a conversation, and even adds punctuation automatically, so you're not left cleaning up a giant wall of text afterward. Whether you're a content creator, a journalist, or a working professional who deals with audio regularly, this tool was practically built with you in mind. But of course, features on paper are one thing. What really matters is how well it performs in action. So we're going to put RecCloud to the test, checking its speed, accuracy, and ease of use to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Now, as you can see on the screen, RecCloud gives you 3 different ways to convert audio into text. You can upload an audio file directly from your device, record audio on the spot using your microphone, or simply paste the link of any audio or video you want transcribed. And yes, that includes links from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you name it. RecCloud's AI handles all of it seamlessly, so no matter where your content lives, you're covered. Now, let's go ahead and test the first option. I have a pre-recorded audio file ready to go, and I made sure to pick one that would really put RecCloud through its paces. The clip includes clear speech, some background noise, and even a mix of different accents, just to see how well the tool handles real-world audio that isn't perfectly clean. Alright, here's what we got. At first glance, the transcription looks pretty accurate. The text came out clean and well-structured, with only a small error on one word. From here, you can translate the text to different languages, find and replace a word, edit the text, and also copy the text. It also generates a summary card for you. Now, let's go ahead and test out the URL to text feature, which is honestly one of the most useful options RecCloud has to offer. This one is a game changer, especially if you're someone who regularly works with podcast episodes or long-form video content and needs a quick way to pull out the text without downloading anything first. I already have a YouTube link ready to go, so I'll just paste it right in. Once you do that, you'll notice a summary section that gives you several different options to choose from, depending on how you want your transcription to look. In my case, I want something thorough and well-structured, so I'm going to go with the detailed option. After selecting that, all you have to do is hit the transcribe button and let RecCloud's AI do its thing. And just like that, within a matter of seconds, The AI has taken the audio from that URL and turned it into a detailed, well-formatted piece of text. As you can see right here on the screen, the output is clean, organized, and ready to use however you see fit. Whether you want to repurpose it into a blog post, pull out key quotes, or simply have a written record of the content, it's all right there for you. And that, in a nutshell, is how simple it is to convert any audio to text using RecCloud. The whole process takes just minutes, and the results speak for themselves. If you'd like to try it out for yourself, remember that I've left a special link down in the description where you can sign up completely for free. Go ahead and give it a shot. I think you'll be impressed. That said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.